Over 90% of businesses around the world are small businesses. Yet many people still believe entrepreneurship is only for big companies with massive budgets. Today, I'm breaking that myth by showing you 14 future-proof mini machines for 2026. These are machines you can import from China or buy online, operate from a small room, and turn into real income streams. They're affordable, in high demand, and designed for everyday use. For each one, I'll explain how it works, the materials you need, and the typical price range. Let's get started. One-screen glass repair machine. Everyone knows the moment a phone slips from someone's hand. The pause, the flip, the hope. In most cases, the damage is only to the glass, not the display itself. That's exactly why a screen glass repair machine makes so much sense as a low-stress business. The machine gently heats the adhesive beneath the cracked glass, allowing it to be removed cleanly. A new glass layer is then pressed on, restoring a factory-level finish that leaves customers amazed. Reliable machines usually cost between $400 and $700. Supplies are simple: OCA film, replacement glass, cleaning wipes, and a small UV light. The workflow is calm and repeatable: heat, lift, clean, laminate, cure. No noise, no fumes, no chaos. And cracked screens never stop happening. All you need is a small workspace and steady hands. 2. CO₂ Laser Engraver. Watching a laser engrave wood or acrylic is almost hypnotic. Many of the personalized products you see online, name signs, keychains, menu boards, leather tags, are made on compact CO₂ laser engravers sitting on a desk. You load your design, place the material, and press start. The machine handles the rest with precision and consistency. Materials are easy to store: wood blanks, acrylic sheets, MDF, leather, and transfer tape. Desktop units usually range from $600 to $1,200. Customers include gift buyers, cafes, schools, event planners, and small brands. The biggest advantage is flexibility. You can switch products without changing your setup. It's clean, quiet, and ideal for a creative home business. 3. Coffee Roaster Machine. Small batch coffee roasting has a calming rhythm to it. The aroma fills the space, the beans crack softly, and suddenly you're creating something people rely on every morning. Compact roasters fit easily on a counter or table and give you full control over flavor profiles. Inputs are simple: green beans, bags, labels, and a cooling tray. Most quality home roasters cost between $500 and $900. Demand comes from offices, neighbors, gyms, markets, and coffee lovers who value freshness. The process, measure, roast, cool, pack, quickly becomes second nature, and coffee's daily consumption keeps demand steady. 4. Ultrasonic Cleaner. An ultrasonic cleaner looks complex until you use it. It relies on microscopic vibrations to remove dirt from places hands can't reach: jewelry, watches, glasses, tools, and delicate parts. Just add water and mild detergent, load the basket, and start. Supplies are minimal, and mid-size machines typically cost $120 to $200. Customers range from jewelry owners and salons to mechanics and electronics technicians. The transformation before and after is what sells the service instantly. 5. Tire Vulcanizing Machine. Many tire issues are small but inconvenient. A tire vulcanizer repairs punctures by bonding new rubber into the damaged area using heat and pressure. Materials include rubber patches, cement, and basic cleaning tools. Compact units usually cost $180 to $300 and can run from a garage or small shop. Drivers, delivery workers, and local mechanics constantly need quick, affordable repairs. The process is straightforward and dependable. 6. Cap Heat Press. Custom caps are always in demand, from schools and gyms to brands and events. A cap heat press uses a curved heating plate to apply designs cleanly without distortion. Supplies include blank caps, transfer sheets, and a basic printer. Most machines fall between $150 and $300. The workflow is fast, and you can test designs instantly, making it perfect for small-scale merch production. 7. Shoe Cleaning Machine. Shoes collect dirt faster than almost anything we wear, and home cleaning often causes damage. A shoe cleaning machine uses soft rotating brushes and controlled water flow to clean thoroughly without harm, followed by warm air drying. Supplies are minimal, and machines typically cost $300 to $700. Sneaker collectors, parents, workers, and commuters all need this service. The visual transformation sells itself. 8. Headlight Restoration Machine. Cloudy headlights make cars look older and reduce visibility. A headlight restoration machine uses heated vapor to restore clarity after light sanding. Supplies include sandpaper, wipes, and vapor solution. Machines range from $80 to $200. Drivers preparing vehicles for resale or safer night driving make up a constant market, and the results are instant and dramatic. 9. Lip Balm Filling Machine. Hand-filling lip balm is messy and inconsistent. A filling machine melts and dispenses balm evenly into tubes, creating a clean, professional result every time. Ingredients include wax, oils, fragrances, tubes, and labels. Tabletop fillers usually cost $300 to $600. Demand comes from boutique brands, market sellers, and customers seeking natural products. The process stays smooth and controlled. 10. Lanyard Heat Press. Lanyards are everywhere: schools, offices, events, hotels, and gyms. A lanyard heat press allows you to apply vibrant, durable designs directly into the fabric. Supplies include ribbon rolls, transfer paper, and a printer. Machines cost roughly $250 to $500 and are quiet enough for apartment use. Orders come from organizations and creators needing custom merch. 11. Leather Sewing Machine. Thick leather is impossible for standard sewing machines. A walking foot leather machine grips materials evenly, producing clean, strong stitches through multiple layers. Supplies include bonded thread, needles, and leather patches. Machines typically cost $350 to $700. Customers prefer repairing quality leather goods rather than replacing them, making demand steady. 12. Wax Melting Machine. Scaling candle production by hand quickly becomes frustrating. A wax melting machine maintains stable temperatures, ensuring smooth, professional results. Supplies include wax, fragrance oils, dyes, wicks, jars, and labels. Most melters cost $180 to $350. Candles remain popular for decor, gifting, and relaxation, keeping demand strong year-round. 13. Metal Engraving Machine. A diamond tip engraving machine creates permanent markings without heat or sparks. It's perfect for jewelry, tags, tools, and metal accessories. Supplies are minimal: metal blanks and polishing cloths. Machines usually cost $300 to $600. Personalized metal items appeal to pet owners, couples, businesses, and creators alike. 14. Wire Cutting and Crimping Machine. This machine focuses purely on efficiency. It measures, cuts, strips, and crimps wires accurately every time. Materials include wire spools and connectors. Compact machines range from $400 to $800. Electronics shops, technicians, and DIY builders rely on consistent cable preparation, making this a highly practical service. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Bite-Sized Business for more content like this. Drop your questions in the comments. I'm always happy to help. See you in the next video.